Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone solo mode using an easy method. First, focus on a smart landing. Pick a spot that's a bit off the main flight path to avoid early engagements. Your immediate goal is to secure a reliable weapon and at least 2 armor plates. Always keep an ear out for enemy movement. Sound is your best friend in solo play. Next, let's talk about smart looting and movement. Don't spend too much time in one building. Grab what you need and keep moving. Prioritize cash for buying loadouts and self-revives. When traversing the map, always stick to cover. Running in the open makes you an easy target. Remember, avoiding fights is often the best strategy early on. Now, let's discuss loadouts and buy stations. Getting your custom loadout is crucial for success. Aim to earn enough cash, perhaps $10,000, to call in your preferred weapons. At the buy station, always prioritize a self-revive kit and extra armor plates. Try to use buy stations that are in less contested areas to minimize risk. Finally, let's cover end-game tactics. As the circle shrinks, positioning is everything. Try to get to a strong power position early, ideally with good cover and sight lines. Utilize your tactical equipment like a gas mask or heartbeat sensor to gain an advantage. Playing the edge of the gas can also be effective for catching enemies forced to move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.